Quick question, when was the last time you walked into a bank? For me, it's been... Actually, I can't remember. And that's exactly what we need to talk about today. The world of business lending has completely transformed, and if you're not taking advantage of online lending, you're seriously missing out. Look, I get it. The word loan probably makes your stomach do a little flip. We've all heard those horror stories about drowning in debt or dealing with the sketchy lenders. But here's the thing, the online lending space has evolved into something incredibly powerful for business owners, especially women entrepreneurs who've historically gotten the short end of the stick in traditional banking. Last year, my friend Jamie was running her graphic design business from her kitchen table. She had more clients than she could handle. Amazing problem, right? But she needed to scale fast. She needed to hire help, upgrade her tech, maybe even get a real office. A traditional bank would have had her jumping through hoops for months. Instead, she hopped online one evening, applied for a business loan while watching Netflix, and had the money in her account literally the next day. Today, she has like a team of 4 and just landed her biggest client yet. Now let's talk about what makes online lending different. First of all, you get to stay at home and do it all in your pajamas. Secondly, online lending looks at like the real picture of your business. They care about your revenue, your growth trajectory, your potential. Many platforms actually specialize in women-owned businesses because they understand our unique challenges and opportunities. There's like a ton of online lending options too. You've got term loans, which are perfect for when you need a large sum for a specific purpose, like opening that second location you've been dreaming about. Then there is a line of credit, which works more like a safety net. You can pull from it when you need it, like during slow seasons or when you're waiting for that client to pay for their invoices. Speaking of invoices, invoice financing is basically a way to get paid now for the work you've already done instead of waiting 30, 60, or even like 90 days for payment. Now, getting started is probably easier than meal prepping for the entire week. You'll want to pull together all your business details, recent bank statements, and some basic financial records. Most importantly, you need a clear vision of how this money will help grow your business. And then the best part is that you can do this all from your laptop. But honestly though, you need to be smart about this. When you're looking at online lenders, think of it like dating. You wouldn't commit to someone without checking their background, right? Like, same goes here. Look at the full picture, the interest rate, sure, but also any fees, the repayment schedule, and definitely read reviews from other business owners. The right lender should feel like a partner in your success and not just another bill to pay. Now here's what I love most about online lending. Women are the fastest growing group of entrepreneurs, but we've historically had a harder time getting traditional funding. Online lending is changing that narrative. These platforms are looking at our actual business performance, not whether we fit an outdated idea of what a successful business owner looks like. Now, before we wrap up, let me share one last piece of advice. When you're ready to apply, take an hour to create a folder with all your documents and a clear plan for the funds. Now, if you're ready to explore your options, head over to businessloans.com. We've vetted the top online lenders so you don't have to play guessing games. Drop a comment down below with any questions and subscribe for more loan tips.